What's up everyone, if you're seeing a weird error when using Microsoft Visual C++, well don't worry, in this video we're going to show you exactly how to fix it. So this usually happens because of a mix-up between 32-bit and 64-bit files. So to fix it, simply start by reinstalling the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables. Then make sure to install both the 86 and 64 versions from Microsoft's site. Next, you can also check that your DirectX is up to date. So simply download the latest DirectX runtime from Microsoft and install it. Now, if it's still not working, simply try running the app as an administrator. Then you can also consider reinstalling it completely to replace any corrupted files. Also, simply try updating your GPU drivers, especially if the app relies on graphics components. And after doing all this, that weird error should be gone and your application should start correctly every time. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.